Your AI agent is smart, but without email, it's cut off from the business world. No client inquiries, no status reports, no automated responses. What if your agent had its own professional email address and could respond instantly? Introducing AgentMail Plus OpenClaw setup from OpenClaw 911. We give your AI agent its own inbox with instant webhook delivery. Zero delays. Zero wasted tokens. Professional email identity at your domain. 3 service tiers to fit any need. DIY kit, $49. The skill, video tutorials, and written guide. Do it yourself in under an hour. Guided setup, $199. We customize the plan for your server and provide live chat support. Done for you, $499. We install everything, harden the security, and include a one-on-one onboarding call. Every tier includes the setup skill, configuration templates, and troubleshooting guide. Your agent gets instant email notifications. No polling. No wasted compute. No per message fees. Give your agent the email capability it deserves. Visit openclaw911.com/shop to get started today.